Hello everyone, we are in the second part of the basic grammar rules. So if you have not watched the first part of the grammar, you can go back and watch the first part where you can learn 5 basic rules within 5 minutes. Well, this is the second part. Here we will discuss another 5 rules of English grammar. Question number 6. Shruti and Smruti are talking with one another. The rule is each other will be used for 2 characters, whereas one another will be used for more than 2 characters. Do keep in your mind each other for 2 characters, one another for more than 2 characters. Well, here is the question. Shruti and Smruti are 2 characters. The reason why instead of one another, we will have to use each other. I hope it is clear. Question number 7. Rudra wants to writing a poem. The rule says in infinitive, to plus first form of the verb must be used. To go, to dance, to write, to sing, to read, to teach. This is the format of infinitive. So here after to, instead of base form of the verb, it has been used writing, ing form of the verb. So instead of writing, we will have to use write. So the correct answer would be Rudra wants to write a poem. I hope it is clear. Question number 8. Ritesh with his friends are watching television. So the rule says here with, along with, together with, as well as, in addition to. Here with, along with, together with, as well as, in addition to, besides. These 6 words will combine these 2 characters Ritesh with his friends. So I want to say Ritesh is one character, whereas his friends are second character. Here is character number 1, here is character number 2, and these 2 characters are combined with the conjunction with. Hence the rule of with says that with, along with, together with, as well as, in addition to, besides, take first character. The reason why first character is Ritesh, so the Ritesh will be agreed with the verb, but Ritesh agrees with the verb is, not are. The reason why we will have to use Ritesh with his friends is watching TV instead of are watching TV. I hope it will be bit difficult to understand, so I will make you clear once again, friends. With, along with, together with, as well as, in addition to, besides. Just you remember the 6 words. If you find these 6 words in a sentence, do remember first character will be agreed for the verb. So Ritesh is singular, the verb must be singular. Done. I hope it is clear now. Alright, we will move forward to question number 9. Rahul is trying to reduce her weight. Do remember always, we have studied subject and verb agreement, but here subject and pronoun agreement is there. But Rahul is a male, the reason why it will be his weight, not exactly her weight. Her weight will be used if it is a female. So subject and pronoun agreement is there. I hope you have to keep in your mind that pronoun always agrees with the subject. Here is the rule. Subject must agree with the pronoun. I hope it is clear now. Question number 10. I have been speaking English since 2 months. Very, very important rule, and frequently we come across this type of rules, especially use of since. Friends, do remember always the word since will be placed before particular time, whereas for is used before time duration. We can have to have a look at here. Since will be used before particular time, for will be used before time duration. For example, there will be a sentence and it has been ending with Monday. For example, Monday. Then it will be used since over here, since Monday. But if it is 3 weeks, then it will be for 3 weeks, not since 3 weeks. So I want to say particular time and the time duration. Particular time, since, time duration for. It is given 2 months, and 2 months is a time duration. The reason why instead of since it will be used for over here. All right, I hope you have clear, and I expect everyone to write down at least the rules, the 10 rules I have discussed in 2 videos, so you note down and get clarified. Thank you very much.